Question number 23. We've got a sketch here of a square. What we've got to do is we've got to find the length of the line PD, which is the line going from here to here. Now in order to do that we need to know the coordinates of this point and the coordinates of this point. And we can find the coordinates of this point if we know the equations of some of these lines. Now we're told that the line passing through the points A and D is minus 2x, y equals minus 2x plus 6. So this line here has equation y equals minus 2x plus 6. And what you've got to recognize is that this number tells you the gradient, how steep the line is, and this number tells you the y-intercept. So this point up here is 0,6. It's 0 along and 6 up because the y-intercept of this line is at 6. If we can find the coordinates of this point, then we can find the difference between 6 and the corresponding y-coordinate down here, and we've got the length of the line. Now, we can find the equation of this line because we know that it is perpendicular to this line here. And perpendicular lines have the property that when you multiply their gradients together you get the value minus 1. So how steep is this line? This line is whatever value we multiply by minus 2 to get the answer minus 1. So the gradient of this line here is equal to a half, because a half times minus 2 gets you minus 1. What we don't know still is the y-intercept. We don't know where this crosses the y-axis, but we can find that out. In order to find that out, we need to know one point which is on the line, and we can do that by working out the coordinates of point A. Now point A is also on the line y equals minus 2x plus 6, and it is at the point where y is equal to 0. So if we take this line y equals minus 2x plus 6 and we substitute in the value x equals 0, we get an equation in x which we can solve to work out that x is equal to 3. This point here is 3 along and 0 up, and because this point is also on this line, if we substitute these values into this equation we can work out the value of c. So x is 0, y is 0, x is 3, therefore we can work out that c is equal to minus 3 over 2. The equation of this line here is y is equal to a half x minus 3 over 2, so therefore the y-intercept is at minus 3 over 2, or minus 1.5, and therefore the distance from here down to here, well, it's 6 from here to here, it's 1.5 from here to here, so the length of the line PD is equal to 7.5.